Hello, welcome to MojoCAD. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos. Today's story we are going to be looking at the offset entities under the sketch in the command manager. Yeah, so it's this one here. For us to begin, I'll first select the front plane. It's already in sketch, so I'm going to try out, say, a circle. Then I'll come and say offset entity. So I'll come and click on the circle. So for bidirectional, it will offset it twice, or in two directions, in and out. Then if I want it, I can say okay, if I want it that way, or I can go ahead and say on one direction, then I reverse, canvas or unreverse like that. So I can have one like that. I can also use it in a different manner like this. So I have my line drawn. Sorry about that. Then I come and say offset. So I'll select this, then I say bidirectional. So when I select bidirectional, they shall have one line on the left, then the other on the right. So when I increase that, I can have something like that. Still in this, since it's bidirectional, then I cannot reverse the direction. However, I can add end caps. See? So because it's of the arc, the end caps are of arcs, then it has made this into slots. With lines, then it will make a rectangle like that. You see? So that's how you can basically use the offset entity command. It works on every sketch type. Assuming I'm to use a spline like so. Assuming I have my spline like that, then I can come and say offset. Then I select it like that. Because I've selected arcs here, lines, then it has got end caps as straight lines. If I say arcs, then it will have these as arcs. If I say no end caps, then they will disappear. If it's not bidirectional, then it will be one line. If I reverse, it will be on the other side. So it can be bidirectional on both sides, cap ends like that or like that. So that's how you can use the offset entity. It is so helpful in the sketches, yeah, and in the editing of your sketch. So from here, you can use it for more features. You can come here and features, you can extrude cut like that, but that's how it works. Thank you so much. This has been the video for today. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much.